recording. Hold up. Let me adjust the camera. There you go. Bike ride. It's still jittery as ever, am I right? Justin, just go run behind me. Justin, he's my cousin. He's just playing with me. Can't stop singing. Switching gears, third gear. Now I got an actual phone holder for my legs. Off the hill, switch gears, fourth gear, fifth gear, sixth gear. Okay, broken road, still sixth gear. Okay, going down, sixth gear still, slowing down. Fifth gear, no, not fifth gear, fourth gear, third gear, second gear, first gear. Sorry, my keys are jiggling. Third gear. Alright. Chilling at 3. Get speed. First gear, hill up, uphill, not hill, up. Now we go up the hill. Fifth gear, you know what, sixth gear. I'm going fast. All right, broken road. Oh God. No, literally, like the road is broken. Alright, so Johnson, he's not Justin. They're twins. Okay, slow down. Oh crap. I don't know. Third gear. Yes. Second gear. Brought this phone holder, because I used to be using my grandma's phone holder. Well, not my grandma's, but my grandma had a bike. Well, technically, it's my grandpa's bike, and that's the phone holder I used when I was at my grandma's. And now I actually got my own, so I can go anywhere and record me on bike. Okay. Gear up. Gear am I on? Sixth gear. Oh, bumpy knee. Okay. Hold up. Oh, I did it with that losing speed, but I lowered down gear since chilling on third. Chilling on third. Is that what I say now? Chilling on third. Hold up. Alright. Let's see how faster I can go next time. Hold up, let's go to the top of the hill. Alright. Alright. The top hill. Check. phone, camera angle, fix. Alright. There you go. Fix watch. Alright, let's go. Oh, I should have drank water on that 4-second break. Okay. Bumpy roads, stand up. Well, not bumpy roads, broken roads. Okay. Take the outer and the inner and slow down. Stand up. Slow. Go up a gear. Turn, take the corner. Yep. Keep the speed. Still on 6th gear. Yeah, I did it this time. No more 3rd gear. I'm chilling on 6th gear. Kinda wish I could like add how fast I'm going. It's like a camera app I can use that records where I'm going, fast and everything. Alright. I think that beehive is empty. Because you would think bees would be chasing me. But nah. Not a single one. Back down the road. Oh crap. Oh, just lost my foot. Not literally lost my foot. I meant my foot slipped off the pedals. Kid screaming. That's my sister who screamed, stand up. Probably just got annoyed by her friends. They always get annoyed. No brake, no brake, no brake, let's go. No brake, 5th gear. Oh, hold up. 6th gear, yeah, chilling on 6 again. I feel like 6 is our new motto. Motto? I don't think that's a motto. Whatever. Don't give a frick. Am I right? Clash of Clans. Opening. Intro. Sound effect. Pothole. I mean, it's always been there. Hold up, I need a break. 7 minutes of bike riding. Break. There's this little glow stick I have and it's still glowing. It's been like 2 days. Oh, by the way, Nick, if you're watching, yeah, this is your glow stick. I just turned it on. You gave me it like 2 weeks ago. Hold up. Squirtle check. Squirtle check? Squirtle check? Yeah, Squirtle chillin'. You know what? What if I did Squirtle check in every video? Every video that I have my bike in, Squirtle check. Is that Squirtle? Isn't that Squirtle? Yeah. And Squirtle that one. Honestly, this park ain't the safest park. And when I mean safe, I don't mean like physically safe. I mean like, no, I do mean physically safe. Not like bike riding safe though, is what I'm trying to say. I took the corner like a piece of cake. Bro, what does the piece of cake mean? Because that's cool. We were doing this grammar thing or whatever you call it. It was a story. It says, piece of cake. What does piece of cake mean? It was metaphors. What does a piece of cake? Metaphors, isn't it? Metaphors, yeah. Right. Easy as a piece of cake. Whatever. Yeah, what does that mean? And I wrote the answer. It was very easy. Isn't know what a piece of cake means? Oh, well, no, I didn't write the answer very easy. I wrote the answer easy like eating a piece of cake. I hear a dog. Oh crap. Why is it so hard to get uphill? That is a very angry dog. He went, ho, 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 ho. And then he did one last ho to be sure. What if that dog got out of its fence and started chasing me? I mean, he might be able to get me. I don't know. Pretty fast on bike. It's been 10 minutes of bike. It's my last lap. And then I'm gonna go go play on the swings and stuff more. They see that lean, shing shing. They see me lean and they see me ray. First gear. First gear is always the easiest getting up this hill. And I'm tired. Sixth gear, 7th gear, 8th gear. Yeah, 8th gear, am I right? Holy crap, this is way faster. No brake, no brake, no brake, no brake, no brake, no! That was a close. Bike park. Oh, empty. Hold on. It seems like it's been moved. Hold up, wait. Bike back up. Chip back to first gear. Hold up. Hold up, can I move this? Close bike rack. You see it? There's the bike rack. I'm gonna go up to it. I'm gonna move it. I'm gonna try to. Oh wow, it's movable. And that is definitely movable. No doubt about that. That is movable. Stand up. Hold up, let me point camera tire cam. Still leans. Guess, well, not guess. Probably put the stand. Right? I don't know what it is. The stand isn't even touching the ground. Wonder how that works. Hold up. I just wanna. How hard is it to move? Ooh, the ball trip. Alright. Bye bye. Alright, bike part 2. It's the same day, just different video because I don't know. I don't know if I want to edit it into one video. Whatever. I'm probably just gonna edit into one video. But this is part 2 of. This is after I went to play. I played on the swings. I played on the merry-go-round. Now I go home. They there. My parents and find out my cousin mom. Beep, 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 beep. Holy crap. Okay. They're not here yet. Hold up, I'm gonna ask something.
Cars run faster. So let's do this. When our cars go far, we need way. This is a mountain.
We're going a different way.
And then it's a mountain. What? That way? Are you gonna run? Are you going this way you're talking about?
Yeah, we're going that way. Move, move.
Yay!
Watch out. I don't wanna.
This is a
Wait, guys! Parent! Stop looking at your phone! Let's go! Parents, am I right?
Yes!
Yes?
Yes. What is that?
For a second, I thought my stand was down.
Yeah. You need to learn with no training wheel. You need to practice with no training wheel.
I'm not practicing with no training wheel, Justu. I already know how to ride with no training wheel.
Yeah. Well, because my brother was little.
Yeah?
Like, I know you were living in his grandma's house. You know what happened?
No, not my grandma's.
No, our grandma's house.
No, we weren't at my grandma's.
Yeah, I was at Amma's house.
We weren't at there.
Yeah, we not in the park.
Joshua, watch out. Can you move? Go with, don't run. Go with mommy and Bob. Go with mommy. Go with your moms. Oh, I can't stop screaming. Joshua, don't go on the road. Don't go on the road. Go with your parents. Hold up. Joshua, wait for your mom and wait for your mom.
What's two color those? You know how to ride that fast?
I can ride.
Woo! You know how to ride that fast?
Look, he even said whoa because he's riding fast.
You know how to do that?
He's on a BMX.
You know how to ride fast? Well, that guy ride a small bike.
He's riding a BMX. It's a different type of bike.
What's that?
It's a trick bike.
What's a trick bike?
Trick, you do tricks with it. Like, you know how people on skateboard do tricks? Some people. Guys, don't run, okay? Go with them. Go with them. Walk with them, okay? Walk. I'm gonna go fast because I'm on a bike. Wait. are. There we go. Okay. My keys are stuck to the handle. Hold up. Alright, home. Alright. Bye-bye. Hold up, I'm back for a second. Bro, it's been like 5-10 minutes and my parents still haven't come. I think I went a little too fast. Alright, now is the end of the video.